Good evening. Dara Nestara Tutina. My name's Leon Littlelight. For some of you who don't know me, I'm introducing myself. I'm on council currently. Graduated from Bishop Grandin High School, SAIT in 1994. Petroleum Land Administration, Business Administration. Also, I took a course in Advanced Technology Computers. So that's kind of my background in education. My grandfather, Joe Bigplum, the late Joe Bigplum, late Dora Bigplum, my grandson. My late father, Bedford Littlelight, and my mother, Frances Littlelight. Anyways, I'd like to take this time for the individuals who nominated me, the people who organized this event, and all the people who have supported me these past 2 years. I believe it's important to have these kind of forums, these get-togethers, because it does introduce, it allows us to introduce ourselves and what we are about, what we're bringing to this table, Chief and Council table. You got to remember, everybody who's voted into these positions brings something special, something unique. All you guys vote for an individual that has something that you see that is right. So remember that everybody who sits at these tables and chairs, they all bring something unique. So for the past 2 years, I was put on a board, Child and Family Board, and at that time I didn't know what I was really getting into at that time. But there's a reason for everything. I was put on Child and Family, and at that time I kind of took it on. I spearheaded the Child and Family building. We got a new building. It's been years, so that's what I've done these past 2 years. No casino dollars or banned funds were used. We made the government pay it, and that's how it's supposed to be. They're supposed to be paying that. They're paying us to live on our lands. That's what they're doing. So no banned funds or casino funds were used in this Child and Family building. Located down by the lodge. It'll be opened by April, May. So that's what I've done the past 2 years. I've sat on the rodeo committee. The rodeo's getting bigger every year. I've also been appointed newly to the Economic Development Board. So I want to kind of pursue other things with that. But if I'm re-elected chief for council, I would like to pursue another, now that the building's done, we got the building, 12 offices, whatever, boardroom. Now that if I get re-elected, I'm just going to say my main goal is to bring home the children. To bring the children home. And we're currently working on that right now. The foster kids, so I'm telling the tribe, we have to all get together, take care of the kids, bring them home, create a home, initiate the programs, the language program, the rodeo program, all these programs, put them together. We have something like over 100 kids out there in care, so I'd like to bring them home with a new home and also get more foster parents involved. That's my main goal, a home. So that's what I see. That's what I'm going to be dedicated to if I'm re-elected these next 2 terms. Thank you.